morning everyone. I am NV Loshini Akshaya from class 7D and today's good character to follow is protectiveness. Protectiveness is the desire to safeguard and defend someone or something from harm, danger, injury, often driven by a sense of care, concern or responsibility. Being protective doesn't mean controlling. It means caring enough to stand between your loved ones and harm, said by Brendan Burcher. Tips for protectiveness are: number 1. Show care and consent. Demonstrate your care and consent for those you protect. Number 2. Be vigilant. Stay watchful and alert to potential threats. Number 3. Act responsibly. Take responsible actions to safeguard and defend. Here's the story, The Hen and the Fire, illustrates protectiveness. One day, a terrible fire broke out on a farm. After the fire was put out, the farmer walked through the ashes and found a mother hen, burnt and lifeless, sitting on the ground. When he gently lifted her, he was shocked. Underneath her were 3 live chicks, unharmed and safe. The mother hen had spread her wings and shielded them from the fire, sacrificing herself to protect her young ones. True protectiveness means putting others before yourself, especially when they are in danger, whether it's a parent, friend, or even an animal. Protectiveness comes from love and courage. Benefits of protectiveness are: number 1. Safety and security. Protectiveness can ensure the safety and security of loved ones or valued things. Number 2. Building trust. Protectiveness can foster trust and strengthen relationships. Number 3. Sense of responsibility. Protectiveness can demonstrate a sense of responsibility and care. My dear friends, by exhibiting protectiveness, individuals can ensure safety and security, build trust, and demonstrate a sense of responsibility and care. Now it's a quiz time, and today's question is: can you say 2 benefits of protectiveness? Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.